Hi, my name is Kay, and Dr. McAlpine gave me my life back. My story is I was an OR nurse for 42 years, which is, everybody knows, occupational hazard is standing for many, many hours and pulling, tugging, lifting patients all the time. I ended up with osteoarthritis in my knee. I started there with my knee. I had spinal surgery, and I also then determined that I needed to have my hips replaced. I started asking my friends who are also nurses, and everybody knows that the best recommendation for a physician is through a nurse because they've seen it all. And Dr. Longenecker's name came up several times, and I thought Reading's not so far, and I called for an appointment, could not see him for 6 months, and they offered me to see his partner. And my thought process was, if Dr. Longenecker has this amazing reputation, he is not going to have somebody who's not as up to his standard of care as a partner. And that's how I ended up with Dr. McAlpine. The experience was excellent. Your appointment was always on time. You never had to wait. There was always a lot of communication. You knew exactly when they were. They would give you calls to tell you when, to remind you of your appointments. You were in and out quickly. The x-rays, as soon as you got here, they would do x-rays. It was just seamless. The hip surgery was so easy. It was so easy. It was a minimal amount of pain. And my situation, I had my first hip done in January, and in March, I was at Disney World with my grandchildren. The best thing I can say to you is, before I had my hips done, there were so many things I couldn't do. I couldn't walk half a block by myself. I had difficulty just rising from a chair to standing position, and they gave me my life back. Now I can do whatever I want to. I'm pain-free, and life is good.